The autumn leaves fall on a quieted floor. I stand in the silence of what is no more. A year has flown by since you whispered goodbye and left me with questions that reach for the sky. The mirror reflects all the miles I have run, a shadow still lingering under the sun. Yet deep in the quiet, a promise takes place as heaven surrounds me with fragments of grace. Our hands build a fortress that crumbles away, but the master designer is shaping the clay. Human horizons are clouded and dim, the blueprints of tomorrow are safer with him. Your favorite melodies live in my mind like warm silver threads that the years leave behind. They heal every fracture that sorrow once made, a beautiful anchor that never will fade. The mirror reflects all the miles I have run, a shadow still lingering under the sun. Yet deep in the quiet, a promise takes place as